Hey, what's going on, everybody? Jason from Toadstool Gardens. Just doing a quick grow update here. Got tons of tomatoes and peppers, super hots to sweets. Hopefully you can hear me over the fans. Got a bunch of sweet potatoes coming. Onions are popping. Just did a clip on those earlier. Bush steak tomatoes. And some caterpillar peppers coming up there. Scotch brains are looking nice. These, oh, that's one of my new hybrids. 200-pound tomato. That's a hybrid between Steakhouse and Big Zack. Kind of regressed last year. I was having 4 to 5 pound tomatoes, but they went. My biggest one was like 3 last year, so they definitely regressed. Orange Kentucky beefsteak coming up like crazy. We got Ron's 104 Italian. Thank you for sending me those seeds. That's really cool. It's an old heirloom his aunt brought across to the U.S. from Italy way back in the day. So these super sweet 100. Got some orange sweet horn. Those are awesome peppers, delicious. Indigo pear tomato. We got here. These are some Minnesota heaters. Got some scarlet variegateds just starting to variegate on. What else we got here? Butch Tea Scorpion. Ooh, that was a beetle. I gotta get him. Got some skunk chocolates. Gonna have huge choices this year. Oh, nope, spider. Got him. Chocolate Twister sweet pepper. Best Boy tomato. Orange plum. Let's see what we got here. Orange spice jalapeno. We got, man, these are really popping. Ooh, red ripple. That's one of my new ones. Got some pink brandy wine back here. Oh, what are these? Let's see here. Ooh, chocolate jalapenos. Got a few trays of those coming. Got some Blackwater JS. Those peppers are awesome. Once they mature, the plants are really deep purple, almost black. Same with the peppers. Oh, what are these? Butch Teas? Oh, no, Chocolate Reaper Blush. One of mine. I haven't grown since 2 years ago. So. Got some Korean orange jalapeno. Ooh, we got a orchid starweed in there. These actually grow wild in Minnesota here. And they produce little orange bellflowers on like 3 to 4 foot plants that are excellent for pollinators. Yeah, we got a few yellow strawberries starting to pop. Those things take forever. Oh, I think some blood ghosts there. Got a couple more trays of those somewhere. I think this is a yellow deli bell. That's an excellent bell pepper. Alright, that's bay 1. Got nice little oscillating fans going on each one of my bays. It's one of my germination racks right here. Got some Best Boy Sans Marzano. Got some white ripples still popping. And there's one of my new ones, Murder Train. Hopefully that'll look really cool. That's White Scorpion and Blood Ghost. Got some Lynx Tail coming. Those are super fast, super hot. Some Painted Lady. That's an awesome variegated tomato. Got some more onions down there. Got orange cayenne, yellow benquijo. Oh, what else we got here? We got some peach reapers. Sergeant Pepper chocolates. deli grape, tomato, cream sausage, blue beauty. Got some orange twisters, Cherokee purple. Got some orange hats coming up, micro tomatoes. Oh, I'm not even sure what those are. Oh, these are... Oh, those are melting chocolate jigsaw. Those are one of my new ones. Well, newer. Ooh, we got some Rose Point tomatoes. That's another one of my new ones. It's about a golf ball sized maroon tomato that has a point at the bottom. It's more elongated. Got some Hallows Eve. That's a really, really nice looking pepper. One of the more popular ones in Spain. Got those sent to me. Got some Romas. I got some balcony mirror dwarf tomatoes. Black Crim. Let me see here. These are blueberry cherry. Got some yellow brain strains back there. Got some purple tigers coming. That's a really cool jalapeno. A little hotter than a standard. Got my 7-pot Scorny. Should say JS, but that's the pepper I developed for Miss Jenny's hot sauce. I got a big ground cherry volunteer that I potted up the other day. Got some Naga orange bubble gum. Oh, let's see, we got some Sugar Rush red stripes. We got some orange ripple red stripes. A few more orange cayennes. Got some yellow T-Rex coming. There's some variegated jigsaw back there. Chocolate Reaper brains. Purple Sunrise. That's another one of my new ones. We got some Chinese 5 color up here. What else we got? Ooh, we got some Repians. One of my semi-new ones. Super, super hot. So yeah, hopefully everything's going out to the greenhouse on Friday and we'll get everything potted up and start planting some herb seeds here today. Alright, well check in with me later so you can see some more greenhouse footage here in a couple days. But this is my fairly small little grow room in my basement. I'm a Baker Creek fan. A lot of people ask me about these reusable cookie trays. I mean, this is pretty much all I've been using to germinate seeds for the last probably 5, 6, 7 years. And once they get big enough, you just pot them into the appropriate whatever you want to pot into them. Oh yeah, we got some Jay's Pink back here too. That's another really popular one in Spain. Thank you, Cape Pasa, for those. Along with the Hallows Eve and the Armageddon pepper seeds. I'll have all 3 of those available. Alright, until next time.